Please remove your vehicles from the place of parking.
Divided not by teams or districts, but we are divided only by disciplines. The 4th Meghalaya Games also has a participation of over 2,600 athletes from various parts of the state, and they will be competing in 19 disciplines that will be conducted in and around all parts of Shillong. So now I'd like to present to you the athletes of the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022. Let's begin the parade. The first discipline, and this is the discipline of archery. The sport of archery will be conducted at the Sports Authority of India Center that is located at the Nehru campus in Shillong. The next discipline is athletics. This will also be conducted at the Sports Authority of India Center at Nehru campus Shillong. I request all our athletes to please give everyone a big welcome by waving your hands, and I request everyone else in attendance to also welcome our athletes by giving them a big hand. The next discipline is the sport of badminton, and this will be played at the Utirat Singh Indoor Stadium in Shillong. I stand corrected. The sport of badminton will also be played at the Sai Center at Nehru Shillong. Presenting to you the next discipline, and that is the discipline of basketball, and this will be conducted at the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Court, Shillong. We have the next discipline, and this is the discipline of billiards and snooker, and this will be taking place at Shillong Club in Shillong. We also have a boxing contingent, and the boxing matches will be conducted at the Mangor Community Hall in Meghalaya. Another interesting discipline that's included in the Meghalaya Games is the sport of cycling. And this will be conducted at Malki in Shillong. Request again all the athletes. We also have the sport of football that will be conducted, and this will be for both men and women. And The football for men will be conducted at the Science Center at the new campus, and for women, it will be conducted at Meghalaya in Meghalaya.
And wish all the very best.
And also at the Science Center Indoor Hall. And the gymnastics contingent has one of the youngest gymnasts, and she's just 7 years old. So please give them all a big hand. We also have the judo discipline, and this is the Indoor Hall. Sports Authority of India Indoor Hall that is located at the main campus. Another discipline in the Meghalaya Games 2022 is the sport of shooting, and this will take place at the Assam Regimental Center. We also have the discipline of swimming, which will be conducted at Clear Line Swimming Pool in Shillong. We also have the sport of table tennis, and this will be played at the Sports Authority of India Center Indoor Hall.
Shooting good. Hey, shooting.
athlete could excel at national and international level is the sport of Taekwondo, and for this, the Laban Indoor Hall will be the venue.
Narin sudah Taekwondo.
We now have the contingent from tennis. And the tennis games for this edition of the Meghalaya Games will be played at Shillong Club.
Wushu.
Another discipline that's been newly introduced into the Meghalaya Games is weightlifting, and this will be conducted at the Sports Authority of India Indoor Hall. And last but not the least, we have the athletes from the discipline of Wushu, which will be conducted at Matangi Hall. Will everyone also please give a round of applause to the brass band? And introducing the mascot of the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022, Labasa.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning to you too.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri
Chiri.
Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable MLA, Bayu Jin
Hey, wan kain tu mo.
Muskan. Meghalaya Muskan.
Welcome all the participants for the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022. Therefore, before I begin my speech in the state, and moreover, to bring the state sports association and athletes together. That's why we having another Meghalaya game, which last Meghalaya game was held in 2020 from 17th to 21st February 2020. There are only 14 disciplines, but this time, thanks to all of us, Meghalaya State Olympics and all the association and the government, for increasing of the number from 14 disciplines to 19 disciplines.